Chapter 12. Transport we use. Get set. Along with your partner, compare these two vehicles. You can use these words while comparing bigger, smaller, petrol, no petrol, fast, slow, two wheels, four wheels, costs more money, costs less money, number of people who can travel, etc. In olden times, people used to roam from one place to another in search of food, water, shelter, fodder for cattle, and safety. Traveling was very difficult as it was done on foot. After this, they started using animals for this purpose. Life became slightly easy when the wheel was invented. The earlier wheel was made of wood. But slowly the civilization progressed and changes were made to the wheel too. It started getting used in other fields. It was used to make pottery and to take out water from deep wells to water the fields. Nowadays, a giant wheel is used in fairs. Wheel is also used as a charkha or the spinning wheel. Traveling is done for various reasons. When travel is done over a small distance using cycles, rickshaws or buses etc., it is known as short distance travel. Going from one city to another, using car, bus or train etc. is known as long distance travel. When one goes from one country to another, it is done usually by a ship or an aeroplane. Did you know? When people go from one place to another in search of work or better opportunities, it is known as migration. Modes of transport. There are three different modes of transport: land, air and water transport. These means of transport facilitate movement of people from one place to another. Did you know? Pakka roads are also known as metal roads. These roads may be made of stones, cement, concrete or tar. These roads last for a long time, need less maintenance and do not break easily. Land transport. In the villages, most roads are kucha roads. People travel from one place to another on foot, cycles, bullock carts or tractors on it. Places which have been connected by pakka roads, buses and trucks move easily. In towns and cities alike, buses, scooters, bikes, cars and taxis are used. For short distances, cycles and rickshaws are used. For movement of goods from one place to another, trucks are the major means of transport. Animals like horses, donkeys, bullocks, elephants and camels are called beasts of burden as they are used to carry heavy loads for humans. Railways. Trains are another very important mode of land transport. These run on iron tracks and are used for covering long distances. There are separate trains for carrying passengers and goods. A passenger train carries thousands of commuters from one place to another, whereas a goods train carries tons of goods. The train used for traveling within a city and its suburbs is called a local train. Delhi and Kolkata's metro trains are local trains which are very fast and efficient. They have helped in reducing the congestion on the roads. Air transport. People who can afford it prefer air transport. The reason for this is that it is very fast. But this mode of travel is expensive because the fuel used in aeroplanes is very expensive. Also, the cost of building and maintaining an aeroplane and airport is also very high. Aircrafts can reach any part of the world within a very short period of time. Helicopters are used for short flights and they reach places where aircrafts cannot land. Cargo planes are special heavy aircrafts which are used to carry heavy goods. Water transport. Traveling on water in rivers or sea is done by means of boats, steamers and ships. In earlier times, people used to travel by sailboats. Now, new modes such as ships, steamers, ocean liners and cruise ships have taken their place. Ships carry people and goods around the country. India has 12 major ports. These ports help us in international trade as its major part is still carried out by water. Did you know? Helicopters are very useful in times of flood, famine, and war as they can easily reach inaccessible areas or places. Fuels. Most means of road transport use fuels such as petrol and diesel. However, these fuels cause a lot of pollution. In many places today, an environment-friendly fuel called CNG is being used, which causes less pollution. Some vehicles even run on battery and electricity. For short distances, bicycles are the best mode of transport. They have no driving cost and do not pollute the environment. Cycling is also very good for health. Animals as mode of transport. In olden times, animals were the only means of transport. Horses, elephants, camels and donkeys were used by people to travel and carry luggage. Even today in villages, people use bullock carts and horse tongas as means of transport. A camel is called the sheep of the desert. Camels can travel long distances on sandy land in extreme heat without water. In the hilly areas and snow-covered mountains, horses, ponies and mules are used for carrying people and goods. In some snow-covered areas, people travel by sledges pulled by dogs. Elephants are used to transport timber in forests. Summary. The means by which people and goods are carried from one place to another is called means of transport. Land, air and water are the three modes of transport. Trade, both national and international, depends upon means of transport. Horses, donkeys, oxen, elephants and camels are called beasts of burden. Air transport is the most expensive mode of transport. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Which of the following runs on animal power? A. Tonga. B. Bus. C. Cycle. 2. Which of the following is used to transport goods? A. Car. B. Truck. C. Cycle. 3. Which among the following is used for traveling short distance? A. Bullock cart. B. Bus. C. Ship. 4. The most expensive mode of transport is A. Air. B. Land. C. Water. 5. What kind of boat is used in warfare? A. Submarine. B. Sail ship. C. Steamer. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Traveling was very as it was done on foot. 2. Life became slightly easy when the was invented. 3. Pakka roads are also known as roads. 4. Most means of road transport use fuels such as and. 5. Horses, donkeys, oxen, elephants and camels are called. 6. Transport is the most expensive mode of transport. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. A bicycle is used for traveling short distances. 2. A train runs on railway tracks. 3. A pilot flies an aeroplane. 4. Goods trains are used to carry goods. 5. Helicopters are used for long flights. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What is the main purpose of means of transport? 2. What are beasts of burden and how are they important to us? 3. Name 5 means of land transport. 4. What is the importance of water transport in international trade to us? 5. Why air transport is expensive? Activity. Here are some special vehicles which are used for a specific purpose. Identify them from their description and write the correct number in the box. 1. An ambulance is used to carry sick people to the hospital. 2. A fire brigade is called whenever there is fire. It has special hose pipes to blow out the fire. 3. A police van carries policemen to different places. 4. The mail van carries letters from the post office. 5. A cart is used by hawkers and vendors to sell vegetables, fruits, etc. 6. A mobile dispensary provides medical aid to villages and remote areas. Life skill. Always use public transport. Public transport helps to reduce pollution.